Hi everyone! Welcome to your Tripleseat Floorplans dashboard. Today, we will walk you through the venue settings page, your hub for managing all the critical details of your venue. Setting up your venue settings is essential for ensuring your events run smoothly, your branding is consistent, and your space is utilized to its full potential. By configuring these settings, you will streamline your event planning process, ensure your team has accurate and up-to-date information, and create a seamless experience for your clients. Let's explore how to set up and manage your venue settings effectively. On your dashboard, you will notice an option in the header called Venue Settings. If you manage multiple locations, you will see a drop-down menu here, allowing you to select the specific venue you want to adjust. If you are in the process of onboarding, you can access the venue settings page immediately after logging in. A helpful message will guide you at the top of the page. On this page, you will find 5 key sections. Some subpages might be locked when you first get started. Specifically, the templates and presets and cameras pages stay locked until files for your rooms like floor plans, configurations, and photos have been uploaded for our team. For instance, if I've only uploaded the floor plans and photos for room A, I can access the templates and cameras pages, but only for that room. Once onboarding has been completed, the header message disappears and all the venue settings tabs are unlocked, provided that all appropriate files have been uploaded for your venue. As venue details change or new locations are added, I can always return to this page to make updates, ensuring my venue stays up to date and ready for every event. Let's take a look at the venue info page. Here, I can upload my venue's logo and image, update contact information, and manage venue details. I can upload a high-quality image and logo to visually represent my venue, which will appear on floor plans and other materials shared with my clients. If I need to make any changes to venue details, like the name or address, I will need to reach out to the support team to do so. These details help ensure that everything my clients see is consistent and professional. And remember, it's important to save any changes before leaving the page to avoid losing any updates. Next, on the Rooms page, I can dive into the specifics of each room within my venue. Here I can customize room names, capacities, and dimensions, and even upload images for each room. These details will not affect how your rooms are configured in your Tripleseat site. The Rooms page allows me to adjust room capacities to reflect the numbers of guests each space can accommodate. I can also upload images that showcase each room's layout and aesthetic, making it easier to visualize how the space will be used. One of the key features here is the ability to set dimension rules, like the allowed space between tables, ensuring that each room is set up according to my exact specifications. While I can't add or remove rooms on this page, I can make detailed adjustments to any room that's been set up by our implementation team. And don't worry, rooms don't have to be fully finished to adjust these details. As long as our team has created the basic outline of the rooms, you are free to make the changes needed. Now, let's take a look at the inventory page. Here I can access the floor plans catalog of over 80,000 items and manage my venue's inventory. This page is nearly identical to using the vision board for specific events. But on the vision board, I would only be adding certain items to a specific event. Using the inventory page here is an easier way to add venue-provided items on the fly for seamless venue management. This page allows me to add, remove, and edit the available items in my venue. Everything is managed here, whether I need to adjust furniture sizing or organize the inventory by category. Adding items is easy. I select from the category panel, choose a subcategory if needed, and add the item to a specific room or make it available across all rooms. We always recommend selecting the All Rooms option. I can also use the search and filter options to locate inventory easily. Once items are added, they will be organized by category, making it simple to find what I need when planning events. I can even click back on an item to remove or adjust its size, ensuring my inventory is always accurate and ready to go. Please watch our specific inventory video for a more detailed walkthrough on adding inventory items, where we go through using both the venue settings page as well as creating a test event and adding items through the vision board. Next, on the templates and presets page, I can access any templates or presets I've previously saved from past events. This is my go-to spot for quickly reapplying successful layouts or arrangements. A template is a pre-saved layout of an entire area that can be used by anyone at your venue, while a preset is an arrangement of specific items like tables, chairs, or stages, and are user-specific. Templates and presets can be easily edited, renamed, or deleted. To create a template or preset, I still must do that on the event level. To learn more about this, please watch our templates and presets video. It's worth noting that this page will remain locked until I upload any floor plans, configurations, or photos for my venue. Finally, on the cameras page, I can preview camera angles and fly-through routes for each room in my venue. This feature is perfect for getting a bird's-eye view of how everything will look on the event day. This page allows me to see the different angles and routes that will be available. This visibility helps me plan and communicate with my team about the exact look and feel I want to achieve. Currently, I'll need to contact support if I want to change these views, but rest assured this feature is on the way. Once it is live, I can tweak camera angles and fly-throughs to perfectly match my vision. Remember, the venue settings page is your go-to hub for managing floor plan settings details. By taking the time to set it up now, you're setting yourself up for success later on. Whether it's making sure your events run smoothly, maintaining consistent branding, or maximizing the use of your space, these settings help you achieve all that and more. This page is always accessible when you need to update your venue's details or make adjustments. It's your tool to ensure your venue stays current and ready for every event. Thanks for watching and exploring the venue settings page. With everything set up, you're ready to create amazing events with Tripleseat floor plans.